Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. Going to be looking at a few products here for the LG Wing. Screen protectors that I already have on my LG Wing, but I'm going to talk a little bit about those. And we have a couple cases here. Now these two cases are exactly the same, and I actually uploaded a video a few days ago on this specific case, and I just received a new one the other day that I've been sporting on my LG Wing. I'll be talking about the price points and the other colors choices that you can pick up as well with both of those cases. Now hopefully you watched that other video when I was showcasing this specific case. It's a good looking case. It's not real leather, but it looks like real leather. You got this strap here, which is really awesome, which overlaps over the top of your fingers there. And it just allows you to have better security, a better grip on your device while sporting this case. The problem with this case is that it doesn't fit perfectly. It works. It gets the job done temporarily. For me, I'm still looking for other cases, even though I just brought in this one. And I mentioned that in the other video. So, and I'll show you why this isn't perfect, but it will work until you can find something. And it's just a bit flawed here in design, but it looks great. It feels great. And again, there's a few positive areas there, and you can use the strap as a kickstand as well. This case right here, and we're going to get to the other case and the screen protectors here in a moment, is, let me turn down display there, maybe a little bit more on my iPhone 12 Pro Max, is $10.99. Okay? And you got three color choices. We'll go this way. Black $10.99, brown $9.99, yellow $9.89. I don't know why they have that at $9.89. It should just be $9.99. I don't understand that. And the case that I have right here that I just recently got in, which fits a lot better. And again, it has that fake leather, PU leather, pleather. It's beautiful, beautiful looking back there. And it's got this hard plastic polycarbonate material on the inside. And I wish that was actually TPU, which I think would help the fit a lot more. This case is $10.99. And you get black for $10.99, brown for $10.99, and yellow for $10.99. All the same price points, which is really cool. And those are some good looking cases. I just personally think, yeah, it would have helped if the inside of this case was TPU. And I know I'm repeating that, but I was just thinking about that in my head while I'm showing you these other colors. Like, why didn't they do that? I don't get it. The screen protectors right there. You get three. This company is Hitoshi. Let me go back to this company here. Now, if you notice, the packaging is the same. So I ended up getting another case exactly like this case, only because Amazon told me that this case got lost and that I might want to order another one. Not to worry about this one. They wouldn't charge me, just order another because it was lost. And then once I did that, this one actually showed up, so then I got a second one. I'm going to try this one on and see if maybe this is just a defect and maybe this one works better. But this is the one I reviewed the other day, which, again, I'll show you here in a moment what I'm talking about as far as it not fitting the LG Wing properly in the way it should. But if you notice, the company there is DDJ. And then when we go to the black case there, the fake leather case with strap, it's full. Foluu is actually the full name, F-O-L-U-U. But the packaging is the same. So I did mention this in the other video too, that I'm thinking that these companies are all the same. And if you look for cases over at Amazon, you're going to find a lot of different cases similar to this, but they're all different supposed companies that I think are all one part of the same company. They're all little branches of the same company. I don't know. It's just, I'm looking at these boxes here, and I can see that they're exactly the same. So the screen protectors, $8.99, and they work really well. You get 3 film screen protectors. I was watching Jay Will's video, and he was talking about the lack of products, accessories for the LG Wing, and it's so true. There's just hardly anything out there. You can go over to eBay, over to Amazon, you can go through the web, and it's just, a lot of these cases are basically the same. So he mentioned something about the glass screen protectors, that the majority of those that I've seen, I think all of them that I've seen, don't fully adhere to the display of the LG Wing. They only have adhesive on the edges, which then allows for problems. And then the other thing is finding a film protector or tempered glass screen protector for the 3.9-inch display. So what I did with these, and remember they're film for $8.99, is I put one of them over the display, and it fully adheres because it's film, and it works great. Easy installation, no issues, no problems. And then I took one of them and cut it almost basically in half and put it on the smaller display, and it went on there pretty darn perfect, man. If you look really closely up top, you can see where I cut it. But I didn't do it in a video because I didn't want to screw it up. If I figured it out, you should be able to figure it out. That's a lot of talking. Okay, so anyway, let me put this on. And so if we look down here, you can see how it doesn't fully come to the corner. You can just see it kind of bend up. You can see how that kind of bends up. Look at the center of the case and how it just kind of, like it's warped a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Gotta see that. The other side, even worse. Right there. Got some, I don't know what that is. Something on the inside of that case. But it's not my LG Wing, because you can see that that moves right there. Anyway, it just looks warped, right? But the pop-up camera does work. No issues there. And like I mentioned earlier, it is still protecting my device. So what I want to see is this new one, if it's the same way. I appreciate you hanging out with me. This is more of a vlog product review for the LG Wing. Not so much a regular review. I'm just sitting here chit-chatting with all of you. I was going to do this live, but I just decided to do it this way. And again, you can see how the volume rocker there, power button is exposed at the bottom. Speaker, USB Type-C, mic exposed up top. You want the pop-up camera exposed, and you got the other mic. So this one, yeah, this one even looks worse. That one looks worse. Look at that. Just do some hunting out there. And if any of you come across a screen protector, or screen protectors, I mean, screen protectors, we can always use a great screen protector on any smartphone. These ones work great. Okay, but if you have something out there that you want to share, but when it comes to cases, I want to know down below in the comment section. I'm sure that there are a lot of folks out there who own the LG Wing who want to know. I really want to protect this device. I'm having a lot of fun with this smartphone. A lot of fun, man. It's crazy, crazy cool. Man, I'm showing it off at work, and everybody's just tripping. They're just like, "Are you kidding me?"
So cool.
That's super cool.
This is next level, dude.
see that this case fits a little bit better. You can see the pop-up camera area there. Over on the left there, not quite meeting the corner of the LG wing. But over here, yes. Just slightly bent right in there. So let's flip it to the other side. And on this side, it's pretty darn near perfect. So I'm going to recommend this over the other case from Foluu, which is, again, probably from the same company this case is from. But yeah, I feel better about this case. Still, I wish a lot of these areas were not exposed. But yeah, for the money, I'm going with this one. I just feel better about it. So I'm not going to support the other one. Now that I found something that's a little bit better. And that was the conversation in the other video. Sport what you can until you find something better. So in this video, I'm telling you that this case, in my opinion, is going to work a lot better. And again, I'm still going to be looking for something that gives me a little bit more coverage. Hopefully something that's TPU. I don't mind that fake leather on the back. In fact, it feels good, it looks good, and it gives you some grip in the palm of your hand. So yeah, that's this case right here. Just let me get out of there. This case right here is definitely and it's padded. It just feels good. Got some depth surrounding the cameras there, so you can take great quality pictures, shoot great quality video. As far as the area being open there, a lot of space, and again the depth and that padding when sitting down on a flat surface. The surface is a little rough. Use your discretion. I'm going to bend this down a little bit more. You should be fine. You should be fine. As far as the pop-up camera, let's go to the camera here, and should have no issues. Okay. No issues whatsoever. Okay, on the back. Okay, so no issues there. Again, a lot of space going on back there for the flash, the cameras, which, in my opinion, this device takes a lot of great pictures. And shoot great quality video. Stabilization is amazing, especially when you're utilizing the gimbal mode. So smooth, so freaking smooth. Got your joystick there. Dual recording. Go watch those videos. I got some videos up testing these areas while I'm walking, while I'm driving. Yeah, I'm just really enjoying this smartphone, and I still have so much to learn. And watching movies and just holding this area like this and watching movies, even with that one single speaker down here, sounds really good. Okay, it's not the loudest, but it gets loud enough. And after a while, while you're watching a movie or videos, you really don't think about just having that one speaker. You know, as long as you're submerging yourself into whatever you're watching, it's just a really good watch on this beautiful 1080p Super AMOLED display, or POLED display, I should say, POLED display, and the audio quality coming from that area. I've been asked this question about quad DAC. No, it does not have a quad DAC. We do not have a headphone jack. You get a little dongle in the box for this area. So, but overall, performance, functionality, just my media intake, the cameras, whether it's the front, the rear, been having a great time with it. Battery life, so far I only have one screenshot. Today I'll get another screenshot, but 6 hours and 2 minutes, and that's doing a lot on this phone. As a phone calls, texting, a lot of different areas, content, editing, uploading, all in one day. I did a lot, and got 6 hours and 2 minutes, and it said I had 52 minutes left. Probably would have got 30 minutes, so probably about 6.5 hours. So yeah, so anyway, and I'll tell you right now, this case just feels a lot more solid in hand. It just feels better than this case. And what makes me a little sad is that I don't have that strap as a kickstand. And you know, to be able to sport it like that. All right, that's it, everybody. Look into these. I'll leave a link for this this product here and this case and the other one too. So any questions on how I actually got this on here? Again, if you're not understanding what I said, but I'm pretty sure it's something that you'll figure out. But I'm glad I have protection there. I think what would be really cool is actually having a tempered glass screen protector for this area to bring a little more height there. That way, when this area is closed like this display, there's a little bit of space in there, obviously. There's going to be just a little bit of space right there. Okay, so maybe with a tempered glass screen protector, it gives it enough thickness in there to kind of fill in the gap there. But that is not a negative. It is not. It's obviously has to be there for this functionality to work, right? So that's not a big deal at all. At all. That is what it is. No more than having a folding device and you can still see the crease, right? That's just what it is until that kind of type of technology can get better. So yeah, and I'm hoping for a generation 2, generation 3. I would love LG to just improve on this innovative idea that came to life, and I'm glad I'm a part of it. So anyway, thanks for watching. Questions down below in the comment section, links down below in the description area. Appreciate your time, your support. God bless. Peace. Stay safe and healthy. I'm out.